Create a design. It doesn't matter what size the design is. Select Apps. Then search for Mockups. Select Mockups. You have all these different options to choose from. Let's select one of the popular options. Resize and move the photo. Go to Uploads. I uploaded this photo already. Drag the photo towards the other photo. Select Edit. You can now adjust the crop and position of the photo. For this mockup, it's also possible to change the color. Select Apply Changes. I will now show you a different example. And that's how you create these mockups.